Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful and easy baby blanket pattern. This pattern is almost similar to inverse shell stitch, okay? If you turn it, you can see almost shell stitch. Okay, it's a 3D pattern and it's only 4 rows repeated. I used Alice Baby Best for this pattern and a 3.5 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, that's enough for me. Skip first chain and insert the hook into second chain and make a single crochet. Then single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, and continue making single crochets until the end. At the end, I have 19 stitches, one less than starting chains. For next row, row 2, chain 1 and turn the work and make a single crochet into first stitch here. Insert the hook into first stitch and single crochet. Then chain 2. Yarn over, insert the hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull a long loop, again yarn over, insert the hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and repeat that for next 3 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook into the third stitch, pull a long loop, yarn over, insert the hook into the fourth stitch, pull up a loop, and yarn over, insert the hook into the 5th stitch, and pull up a loop. Okay, yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. This is my first pattern, and then chain 2. Insert the hook into next stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 2 again and repeat this sequence. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull all loops and chain 2 and make a single crochet into the next stitch here. You have to repeat this sequence until the end of the row. Chain 2 and for last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2 and make single crochet into last stitch here. Insert the hook into last stitch and make a single crochet. Okay, for next row, chain 1, turn the work and make single crochet into back loop of each stitch and each chain. This is last chain, last stitch of a previous row, and this is back loop of that. Okay, insert the hook into back loop, pull up a loop, make a single crochet, then it's a chain, insert the hook into back loop, single crochet, next chain, and this pattern. I make single crochet into back loop of all of chains and stitches and number of stitches in this row must be equal to stitches of first row. Actually, I have 19 stitch at the beginning of my work, and the number of stitches should be 19 at the end of this row. Okay, at the end, chain 3 and turn the work. And I want to make a half pattern in the beginning of this row and half pattern in the end of this row, and make complete patterns between each two pattern of this row. Okay, so chain 3 counts as first stitch, and skip first stitch of previous row and insert the hook into next stitch and pull up a loop. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops and this 3 chain 2 and make a single crochet into next chain. Again, chain 2, and now make a complete pattern here. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3, yarn over 4, and yarn over 5. Yarn over, pull through all loops, and chain 2 and single crochet into the next, and repeat that until the end. Chain 2, again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2 and single crochet into the next, and after that chain 2, and I want to make last pattern. Actually, I want to make a half pattern here, such as beginning of the row. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 1 and 2 and 3, and yarn over, pull through all loops, then chain 1, chain 1 again, and turn the work. And I want to repeat second row. Actually, I want to make a single crochet into back loop of each stitch and each chain across. Okay, skip this chain and insert the hook into next chain into back loop of that, and make a single crochet, then single crochet into back loop of next stitch, single crochet into back loop of next chain, single crochet in back loop of next chain, single crochet in back loop of next stitch, and repeat that. Make a single crochet into back loop of each stitch and each chain across, and number of stitches in this row also must be equal to stitches of first row. Okay, I'm at the end, and the number of stitches is 19, such as first row, and this is third chain of starting chains, and don't make single crochet into that. Okay, chain 1 and turn the work, and now I want to repeat these 4 rows. I repeat row 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, insert the hook into first stitch and single crochet, then chain 2, yarn over, insert into the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and yarn over, pull through all of them, then chain 2 and make single crochet into the next, then chain 2 and again repeat that sequence until the end, and at the end make a single crochet into last stitch, and repeat the next rows, row 3, 4 and 5 several times. These 4 rows must be repeated until your height of your pattern reach the desired size. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.